let's go over how to provide hints to MongoDB from within Java. We're going to use the same collection, and I've added some indexes. So let's look at the indexes I've added. I have an index on A, you can see that here, an index on B, index on C, an index on D, and an index on A ascending, B descending, C ascending. How would we tell MongoDB to use a particular index from Java? I've written a small program to illustrate how this works. Let's go through it line by line. First, we connect to MongoDB using Mongo Client. And after that, we connect to the test database. And then we're going to set up a query where we're going to look for A being 40,000, B being 40,000, and C being 40,000. And now there's two alternative ways to get hints within MongoDB. One of them is to append hint onto the query and specify the string of the index name, which you could deduce, or you could look for it by doing a get indexes. And then I add explain so that we get a document back that is the output of explain. And then down here, I just go through that document, I get its key set, and then I just print it out line by line. It's sort of a poor man's pretty print. So if I run that, let's see what I get. All right, and you can see that on the bottom here, a little hard to read, but it's using the index A underscore B underscore -1 C underscore 1, the same one I specified. So that's one way to do it. And the alternative way to do it is to build it up using a basic DB object. Looks a lot like a query in that case. So what we've done here is I'm creating something called myHint, and then I've created a basic DB object with the first key value pair being A, 1, the second one appended on being B, -1, and the third being C, 1. And then I can call find with that query and that hint, myHint, and it will do the same thing. I can show you that. And here you can see that it's using the same index again, right here. Now, it's interesting because you do need to send in an ordered pair for a hint, right? It's A, B, C. And these basic DB objects are ordered, even though a straight map might not be ordered within Java, but this basic DB object has an order to it, and it retains the ordinal values of the different keys, and so it works as a way to send in a hint.